Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2014 Kawasaki VERSYS 650 adventure bike. This bike has a little over 5,000 miles and is offered for $49.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to the standard features, the customer put on these very cool removable locking GV Kawasaki saddlebags, also heated grips, a tank pad, inner thigh pad, and heated grips. This is a great adventure bike. You're not going to find a cleaner one out there for only $49.99. Again, only 5,000 miles. We went through and did an oil change, safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.